In this video, we're diving into how to automate workflows in SuiteDash to boost your efficiency. If you're looking to streamline processes and save time on repetitive tasks, you're in the right place. We'll cover everything you need to know to set up automation in SuiteDash and make your business run smoother. Stick around until the end because I'll share an exclusive offer for you and even introduce some alternatives that might better suit your needs. First things first, let's talk about the core of SuiteDash, its automation tools. SuiteDash allows you to automate a wide range of tasks such as client onboarding, invoice generation, email notifications, and more. This means you don't have to manually handle these actions, leaving you with more time to focus on what matters. Next thing, let's dive into the Workflow Automation Builder. SuiteDash offers a drag-and-drop builder that lets you create custom workflows. It's incredibly intuitive, but it does require a bit of getting used to. You can set triggers based on different actions, such as when a new lead enters the system or when a client updates their profile. Once the trigger happens, SuiteDash can automatically move the client through a series of predefined actions. The third thing to consider is how SuiteDash integrates with your existing systems. Whether you're using Google Drive, Stripe, or Zapier, you can easily connect your favorite tools to SuiteDash. But here's where it gets a little tricky. While SuiteDash has solid integrations, it doesn't have the same level of flexibility or a vast marketplace of integrations like other competitors. If you rely heavily on third-party apps, this could be a limiting factor. Moving on, let's look at automating communication. SuiteDash enables automated emails and notifications to be sent out at different stages of your workflow. Whether it's a confirmation email when a form is submitted or an invoice reminder, the platform makes it easy to stay in touch with your clients. However, there are some limitations with personalization. If you're looking for highly customizable email templates, you might find SuiteDash a bit restrictive. Now, the fifth thing, reports. SuiteDash allows you to set up automated reports so you can track key metrics without manually generating them. However, the reporting features, while useful, can feel basic compared to what other platforms like Monday.com or Zoho CRM provide. If you need advanced reporting, you might want to consider these alternatives. The sixth thing is automation roles. SuiteDash lets you set conditions and actions, which makes it highly adaptable to your unique needs. However, the platform's workflow rules can feel overwhelming for new users, and the learning curve might make it hard to fully take advantage of its features right out of the gate. Next up, let's talk about the potential downsides. While SuiteDash is powerful, it's not perfect. Its interface isn't the most modern or intuitive, and it can be difficult to navigate through all the automation options without proper guidance. Plus, its mobile app leaves a lot to be desired in terms of functionality and speed. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for, what is SuiteDash isn't quite right for you. There are other software options out there that could be better suited for streamlining workflows and increasing efficiency. Tools like Zoho CRM and HubSpot are great alternatives. They offer more powerful automation features, better integration capabilities, and a more user-friendly interface, but they may come at a higher price. So, here's the deal. If you still think SuiteDash is for you, I've got an exclusive extended free trial available through the link in the description. But if you want to explore some amazing alternatives that could suit your needs even better, I've got those for you too. They also come with a free trial, and through our link, you'll get the best possible benefits. Be sure to check out those options before making a decision. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the links below for your exclusive offers.